In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a mobile-friendly website using Canva, even if you've never built a website before. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, modern site that looks great on any phone using Canva's simple drag-and-drop tools. I'll also show you how to pick a ready-made template so you don't have to start from scratch. If you want a fast and stylish way to get your project online without dealing with code, this is going to be incredibly useful. Start by heading over to Canva. If you're new to it, don't worry, it's very beginner-friendly and you can use it for free. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create a Design button in the top right corner. That's where every project begins. In the search bar, type Website. Canva will show a variety of website templates you can use as a starting point. You'll notice different styles. Some are perfect for portfolios, others for businesses, and some for personal use. Take a little time here and choose something that looks clean and modern. For a mobile-friendly design, look for templates with lots of open space, large text, and simple layouts. These tend to perform much better on phones and tablets. Once you find one you like, click it to open the editor. Now you're inside Canva's workspace, where you can fully customize your site. This is where you make it your own. Think about how visitors will experience your website on a small screen. Use larger fonts so everything is easy to read, and keep your layout simple. Avoid clutter. Too many elements can make your site feel cramped on mobile. For example, if you're building a photography website, focus on large, high-quality images and keep your navigation minimal, something like Home, Portfolio, and Contact. Clean and simple always wins on mobile. You can drag and drop elements, change colors to match your brand, replace images, and add buttons that link to other pages or contact forms. As you work, make sure to preview your design. Canva lets you switch between desktop and mobile views, which is incredibly helpful. Sometimes a layout looks perfect on desktop, but feels too tight on mobile. If that happens, just adjust spacing, resize elements, or move things around until it feels natural. Spending a little extra time here makes a huge difference in how professional your site feels. Once everything looks good, especially on mobile, it's time to export your work. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PDF Standard to keep your layout clean and easy to share. If you want, Canva also allows you to publish your website directly, but keeping it as a PDF is a simple way to share or review your design first. And just like that, you've created a mobile-friendly website using Canva. No coding, no complicated tools, just a straightforward process that gets results fast. If this helped you, leave a like, drop a comment with what you'd like to learn next, and subscribe for more tutorials that make digital tools simple and practical.